How to use Walmart promo codes. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to use Walmart promo codes. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for walmart.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Walmart. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, to use your promo code, you need to have a few items in your cart. So, go ahead and scroll through and add a few items in your cart. I have a few items on my cart already, so I will simply tap on my cart from the right side of the screen. Now, tap on continue to check add button after you are done making changes in your cart. You will be led to the check add page, so go ahead and tap on the have a promo code drop down and you will see a text box. Enter your code in the text box you see there, and further tap on the apply button, and with this your code will be applied. So, this is how you can use Walmart promo codes. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.